Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could fix a hard disk which is plugged but not showing. So you have plugged your hard disk. It appears here in the USB stuff. When you click on the USB plug, you saw it. You can click eject. However, when you go to your PC shortcut, you don't see it. To fix this problem, just go to your search bar and type disk create and format disk partitions. Click on create and format hard disk partitions to open. Locate the concerned hard disk. In my case is disk 1. In your case, it might be something else. It should show here this blue color on top of it. Right click, and here we're going to select change drive letter and paths. Click change, and here assign the following drive letter. You want to change it to something else. I will choose H. Click OK. Click yes, and wait a few seconds. Here the letter has been changed. So now we will go to the PC shortcut and we'll click, and here we have our disk ready to be used. The problem has been solved. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.